Hey guys, we're at the Cosmo tonight. I decided I'm going to do a 5-game challenge. I'm going to take 5 different machines, put $100 in each machine, and bet 100 spins at $1 a piece, and then we'll see what machine comes up with the best results at the end of it. We're probably going to break this down into 5 parts, so it'll be 5 separate videos. And we're going to start out right now with Lightning ReSpin, the Kronos version. All right, let's let it rip. $1 a spin. We're looking for the Kronos here on the first reel. We built the first reel to provide the Lightning ReSpin feature. 3 of these will give you the free game feature. Come on. There we go. Ooh, it's a little rough. Fill them up, power up, yep. All right, keep them going, Kronos. Uh-oh. Last spin, maybe? Hit it, hit it, hit it. There we go. All right, we got to power up. Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right. Ooh, that was a good one. Now we just need to fill in over here. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. All right, well that was spin number 6. So not too bad so far. All right, we're about even after 6 spins. All right, let it rip. Free game feature would be nice. I thought maybe we'd get Kronos there on that first reel. Come on, free games. Did we connect anything there? No. Come on, Kronos. Teasing me. Should be a little something there. All right. Just about $5. No, a little more. $6.45. All right. About a third of the way through, and we're down $20. Spin number 35 right here. Seems a little quiet. Well, we're going to heat it up here, I think. it's so close. One more. Got it. Come on. Got it. Uh-oh. You gonna get in the back door? Oh. All right, guys, this is going to be spin number 50. So we're going to be halfway through after this spin. So right now that was spin number 50. We're halfway through. We're currently down about $33. We got a little bit of work to do, but I think we're going to be able to recover. So let's see what happens. 51. Can't connect on the Kronos. Oh, I thought we had him. It keeps coming so close. Need to get that lightning respin to do anything on this game. Sometimes I play this game and I hit the lightning respin a lot, and then obviously there are other times like now it just doesn't seem to want to come out. I think overall I've probably done better on it than I did. We'll get the free games here. We got 28 more games to go. You got it. There we go. All right, that's going to help the challenge out, guys. So hopefully we get something big on this. That might save the challenge. All right, how many do we get here? 15 free spins on Kronos. We're currently down $55 in the challenge. And I think we got about 20 games left, somewhere around there. 21 games left. So hopefully this is going to save it. Let's do it, Kronos! Let it rip. Need to get the lightning respin here. Oh, man. Oh, come on, Kronos. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Fill it up now. Uh-oh. Okay, come on now, fill it up. Keep it going. Extra row. got it, Kronos. You got it. Drop. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully we'll get at least one or two more of those during this 15 spins. So that was 980. All right. Keep it going. Oh, retrigger would be sweet. Nope. Come on, we got to get at least one more lightning respin here for this bonus to work out. Last spin, make it a miracle. All right, guys, not the greatest bonus. 15 free spins plus the lightning respin during the bonus. And we only came out with about 10 bucks, 10.40. All right, we got 21 games left, and let's see what happens. Get a lightning respin here in these 21 games. Spin number 90. Yep. All right. Come on now. Ouch. Well, this is going to be a tough one. Extra row. At least I know I got one row or something. Alright, we need to fill them in the front too. Alright, it's coming around, I think. Come on, Kronos. Keep it going. We need one more. Oh, yes. One right here. We need one right there. I'll take one anywhere. Just can't seem to get in the front though. One right here. Uh-oh. All right, we get a little something here at least. 15 bucks. Alright guys, this is going to be spin number 100 here on Kronos, lightning respin. See what happens. All right, so that's going to do it on Kronos. It's going to be that's going to do it for the first game in this challenge. We started out with 100. We ended up with 53.05. Not the best result. Hopefully, this is going to be the worst result out of the 5. But we'll find out. So there we go. Started out with 100, ended up with 53.05 on Kronos. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching.